Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Test test test. Hey everybody, I'm going live now, and I'm just gonna go over some. I'm gonna lower the music a little bit because it's probably too loud. Gonna go over some trades live and just chill out and watch the end of the day close out. So let me just lower the music a little bit. Bound chicken wow music over here, right? Alright guys, we're gonna get into it a little bit. Hyper scalping. Hyper scalping is what I'm going to be doing. I'm just looking at a lot of windows and screens here. Alright, so this is NASDAQ, E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures. This is the 5-minute chart. I'm going to pull up a dual screen here. I'm going to be showing NinjaTrader 8. What I'll do is this. I will bring up NinjaTrader. I'll bring a chart up. Right here. There you go. So now you can see my entries and my exits. Oh, what I just dropped there. Okay, so guys, we got a lot going on here. I can show you something that's a little crazy. Look at this. That's Apex Investor Group's special program that they have. Pretty cool stuff. But that's a whole nother story. But I mean, just look at that. Does that look like something you could figure out just by looking at it? No, I gotta explain that. So we're not gonna work on that. We're gonna work on simplicity. Well, not Apex simplicity. Simple stuff here. And what that means is I'm gonna pull up some Ninja stuff right here. NinjaTrader 8. I got a 5-second over here. Okay, and then I have a 2-minute over here, but I can't fit everything onto the same damn screen. So let's simplify this here. Okay. This is a 1 minute, this is a 5 minute. These indicators right here, that's just showing fair value gaps. So what I do when I'm scalping is I basically use multiple types of charts. Okay, but we don't have to go into my own strategy. And I watch a little bit of Twitter. He's pretty good, Zero Hedge. Most of you guys know him already, so I'm not gonna get into that. I just refresh it and I see what's up. Okay, nothing yet. All right. These are my side-by-side charts. I just keep a pulse on the market. I like to break it up into a 7-minute chart. It's at E-mini NASDAQ. And just, if anybody's listening, could do me a favor, could you let me know if the music's too loud or if the music is good? And that's, I'll just lower it if the music's too low. Well, can you even hear the music? Okay, now, here's another chart I use, which uses vector candles, which is something that are just high volume candles. So this is a 30-minute time frame, and I use volume profile. Basically, so you have the value area. The just dotted blue line is the value area high. This is value area low. This is based on about a week of action, specifically, and then I'll flip this to certain time frames. I'm gonna do some scalping though now, so I don't want to talk too much. I just want to get into the scalping aspect of it. I'm looking for an entry. I should set up the paper trader too, right? Why not? Come on. Mickey Mouse. I say Mickey Mouse when I'm annoyed. So if anybody's like, why is he saying Mickey Mouse? This guy's crazy. That's my way of saying I want to throw a punch you. So I could have did a nice little long entry just now on a 5-second chart. Check this out. So I have it on Sim. I don't have it on my accounts here. Anybody's not familiar with NASDAQ, each dollar that goes up is 4 ticks, which is 1 point. So let's just do a long. I'm not even looking at analysis. I'm just going to do, I'm in sim mode, so I don't care. All right, let's see what we got. Boom, let's just do it there. Okay. So you see I have one contract that went long. I have an ATM strategy. It's doing a trailing stop loss. Why is it not just something? The sound's not working somewhere. Oh yeah, no, the sound's working good. I'm saying on NinjaTrader, see that right? That goes up. It's supposed to go cha-ching. Well, I don't know why it's not doing it. Let's see, something's not right here. Well, whatever. I made a profit on this is a micro contract. These are small contracts now. And my stop loss is locked in already. So obviously that's what a trail does. And I have a take profit. That's like 50 points up. You could change a NinjaTrader, excuse me, 50 points, ticks. This is how many points it went up already, 8 points. So with a micro contract, you know, you only need to make 5-10 points a day, which is about 20 to 40 ticks to pass any eval, okay? Now I can make this larger. Reason why I use the 5 second is because there's a lot of action. Now look at this right here, for example. Let's see, I'm gonna do a rectangle here. I'm gonna draw a region out. So from, it's been in this block. Oh, there it took me out. So in the last, what, 10 minutes, it's been here. Which is almost, how many points is that? 12,527 to 12,422. It's like 20 points, essentially. 20 points, and you only need to make 10. That's why I use the 5 second chart, okay? Hope that makes a little sense there. I'm gonna minimize this, maybe go side by side. So I got one winning trade already. It was like, what, 7 or 8 points? That's beautiful in micro trading, and this is why I switched from crypto to this. Let's go to another chart. This is messy, sorry about that. I'm gonna simplify it. Okay, this is NASDAQ NQ futures, March contracts, by the way. These little yellow boxes here, that's fair value gaps on the super low time frames. Now again, my style is not for everyone. A lot of people can't hyper scalp, they don't like it, they're not good at it. I thrive in it. It's just what I love to do. This is an indicator by disruptive developers. I'm gonna start showing some videos on how some of their tools I use. Shout out to disruptive developers for gracing me with their indicators, just to show off a little bit. There's a website, I could leave it in the description to go to, as this is one of my first actual live streams. I'm going to be posting more of the information as people ask. So normally what I do now, because I'm trying to show you NinjaTrader and TradingView at the same time, normally what I do is look at a 1 minute chart here and a 5 minute chart here, because I like to do live trading, and I don't like to do hindsight trading like 98% of the traders on YouTube. And I also don't like to get on and enter a trade, or get a trade, then enter, then go live. I don't even know how to go live that well. I suck at the whole live thing and YouTube, so I'm working on that. But my point is, most YouTubers, not putting them down, they'll go live and they're in an entry already, like certain crypto YouTubers and whatnot. And listen, that's their style, or they don't show any entries. So like, I'm just gonna go short here, boom. Now, even though it's a paper trade, that's fine. It's just showing you guys, I just entered, I have a stop loss here and a take profit here. It's wide. I have a strategy, a 30 tick stop loss with a 60, well, I'm gonna move it. Not supposed to do that. The rules are don't ever move your stop loss. A 30 tick stop loss and a 60 tick take profit with a trailing take profit. So earnings are coming out after they close, by the way. So this is a end of the day power hour rally. So now I'm down 7 points. How much money is that? Let's see. Okay, let's just do that. So now you can see how much money we're making. All right. Real quick with this indicator, it's got some cool stuff with the candles. The candles give you some insight into the volume. I don't know why this isn't working right now. My computer overloaded. Let's see. I'll just take off. Okay, so if I have all the indicators off, I have white candles. just to get out of the red and white, the red and white, Jesus, the red and green. So it just takes it's psychologically proven that the color candles can affect your mental state of trading. So, what's up? What's up, host? What's up, Paul? What's up, Paul? J Metal Detecting, awesome channel. Guy's one of the best metal detectors out there. So what I was saying is these candles are white, but now when I put on the indicator, and I use this just for volume purposes, this Disruptive Developers FVG recovery. Okay, now let's just go an hour. Watch, I'll maximize it. Check this out. Look how crazy this action was earlier. What was this? Yesterday, today? I don't even know what day it is. This is yesterday. Remember the crazy action? What is this? Up, high volume up, high volume down, high volume up. Then it normalizes, kind of consolidates. Then look, we get some high pressure down. Usually when this high pressure red down, means it's gonna recover up. Usually. It's just an indicator. It's showing probabilities. You go on a 4 hour, and I know this is supposed to be about scalping, but I just wanted to give you an idea, again, insight as to what I do. These candles are pretty good, especially if you don't have like order flow and footprint data to look at. You can utilize this, and it can pretty much tell you where a lot of orders are coming in. Green. Now and there's a couple other YouTubers that out there, like Traders Reality. There was a guy out there, TJ, but he disappeared to thin air. But they promoted this stuff, and it really works. It really does. A lot of times, not in this instance, but a lot of times, like right here, the green candle, you actually do the opposite. Like you would be shorting as it's going up, and it comes down. And when it's red, then you start looking for a long. I gotta do some better examples, but I'm gonna get away from that and go down to the shorter time frames. All right, so 15 minute. Sorry for the mess. Wait, where's my candles? I have no candles. All right, there we go. All right, let's go to take that off. We have a like a B-shaped day with volume profile. That's this right here. Let me highlight this. That's this and this. You got these two. Wow, that doesn't look good. All right, guys, let's keep my maturity levels high. While I'm talking to myself here. Check this out. So this is a high volume node right here. Okay, so volume stuck around here for a while, and now we're stuck in a POC again. Okay, point of control. Essentially, this is almost like a point of control up here, even though it's technically not. Okay. So I'm going to get rid of those drawings. Let's go down to scalp mode, okay? I promised I'd scalp. Let's scalp. Okay. Let's get rid of that fucking thing. Alright, here we go. Strap in. Come on, this indicator. Alright, what am I looking at now? Alright, got an in profit trade. Oh, that's the 2 minute. Let's put the 2 minute over here. I'm looking at other stuff on my other screen, just so you know. And then I'm doing a cross check of this is the dollar index. Let me get rid of this indicator here. Market liberated A, not a bit indicator, it's just clouding your charts up. This is side by side. This is NASDAQ and the DXY, the dollar. So usually they correlate in a way where when one goes up, one goes down, and vice versa. Usually, not always, just like anything in trading. I have a version of PVA candles on here, I think. Do I should. I don't know where they went. Something's jacked up. Oh yeah, I got PVAs right here. See? If I take that off, the candles go regular. Same thing, it shows high volume. So this is the dollar index. Let's just do the minute. Alright, so we're going a little sideways here. Now I'm just gonna trade as if nobody was watching me. Okay. I drew this line here. Seems like resistance on the lower time frames for NASDAQ. And the dollar looks like it's trying to break this one right here. Then I have gold. Let's keep my gold. Oh, I drew a box here from yesterday. Seems like it's still respecting that range. Once it breaks out of the range, then you know, just gotta pay attention to it. If you're trading that, then a good old Bitcoin. Just draw the box. Look how simple this is. It's not hard, guys. You just gotta have a lot of freaking charts. It's all mental. It's all mental. Once you learn that a price can either just go up or down, then you get your indicators down, your volume profile. You know, you could use oscillator. This is an oscillator. It's market liberator B, basically market liberator A. Excuse me, market liberator B, which is like market cipher. It's almost free. Another good company. All right, so get rid of that. I'm gonna check out NASDAQ. I'm gonna do my side by side. Let's do 15-minute. Looks like it's just stuck in a tight range here, but I mean that could be scalping. So let's see what I got here. I'm gonna put my other stuff up now. Give me a second, guys. Hang tight. All right. By the way, Apex Trader Funding has an 80% off sale. Again, it's another sale. So it's a prop firm. You don't need to trade with your money. Yes, you spend a little money to get evaluated. And if you pass, you trade with their money. And there's a lot of great benefits. The websites, and it's below in the description. Okay. Anyway, so when you use Apex Trader Funding, the platform that you use to trade and execute your trades is NinjaTrader. This is NinjaTrader. Let me pull up the 5-second chart. Come on. All right. There you go. There's a 5-second chart. What's going on here? Hopefully I'm just trading my sim account. I made my profits today. I could flash those if anybody wants me to share those. I did pretty good. I'm happy. I don't want to be greedy, so that's the key. Don't be greedy. You know, it's a business trading. It's not a hobby to me. This is a business, and I'm just trying to get the volume on one thing open. So I want you guys to hear this actually. But let's be. Now, I also use Apex Trader Investing. It's a trade group, but they have a whole suite of indicators for NinjaTrader. And it has order flow and volume profile. Whoa, look at that. Imagine if I was in a trade and I didn't have a stop loss. See? Something just happened. Some big news. Let's see. Let's just refresh this. What's going on? Usually Zero Hedge is pretty good about this stuff. Nope. Anything good? I don't do use macro when I'm trading, but I will look for major events. You know, but anyway, all right, let's go back to the charts. Some of my volume's not working, so I can't hear stuff. I can't hear stuff that I normally hear, like from my actual computer into my ears, which I don't understand why that's going on. But so just sorry if this is a little wonky. All right. So let's just like
order filled.
I just did 6 contracts.
Potential TX
It's gonna reverse
on
though.
NQ.
It's not a good trade. I just took a chance that it's gonna recover this volume of 15546, which will be here. So see this right here, this yellow? That's a fair value gap. Damn it! Can't fucking talk. Where's my damn chart?
Trapped orders with exhaustion box on NQ.
All right, looks like
Potential SLZ on
Order
NQ.
why not? Just throw a few more on there.
Order filled. Order filled. Order.
So 20
filled.
contracts is equal to 2 micro
SLZ on
contracts.
NQ.
So there you go. There's my profit. Look how fast it's going from 33 to 17. Look at this. I mean, if you look at it in a bad light, it could be considered gambling. But if you manage it with a stop loss and a take profit and a trailing take profit, stop loss, aka, then it's safe. You just gotta not move it. You can't move this up and up and up away. See, look, there we go. Look at this, boom. Live trade in profit. Look, I wish this was not on my sim account. $500. This is only 20 micros, guys. I don't know. Can you hear this? Can you hear that cha-ching? It's kind of cheesy that Ninja does that, but Ninja Trader is like very boomer-ish. I'm moving my take profit because I want this to run. All right, look at that. Just made $573. And how long was that? What? A minute. That's exactly what I do when I trade, and I use this as well. This chart, full disclosure. This is I've been using this, not my whole time trading. I've been using this for about a month, almost 2 months. Okay, you get a free month and then $1 for the next month, and then you got to pay a monthly depending on what you want to work out with them. Pretty much anything blue is trap sellers, okay? And pretty much this is self-explanatory. Once you see the red, that's a histogram. It's gonna go down, but it's got to be consistent. It can't be like choppy. This is chop. You don't want to do a trade there. So this is a whole nother realm. I made that today in my sim account. I wish that was my real account. Not yet. Okay. Now see how choppy this 5 is? It just slammed down. Now it's slammed back up. Alright, so that was a live Ninja trade. Once I have more viewers, then instead of like one viewer, I'll be able to communicate with my viewers. And, oh, okay. I got Charles Ward. What's up, dude? What's up, bro? Thanks for showing up, man. I got like 1.5 viewers today. Alright. Just don't mind me. I'm technically dealing with... I need like 6 screens. I only have 3. So I got Streamlabs. I have live streaming software up. I have 2 Ninja charts. I got about 26 tabs open. Alright, so anyway. Alright, I signed up but haven't got started yet. Got until the 23rd. Well, I need to get 7 days in, so I thought I was going to start last night, but more to look into than I thought. Yeah, Apex has, listen, everything with Apex, what I learned, I went on their website in the FAQ section. They make it a video. They make a video for every, yeah, Charles, that's what it's like. I don't know if I should give that away. I'll tell you, but I'm saying, like, you know, when you have an edge, it took me about 2 months to get that ATM set up. I have about 25 ATMs and 19 of them failed. So I'll show it to you. Okay, if you're there, just give me like a thumbs up and I'll show it to you. What else was I saying? I'm looking at too many damn things right now. Let's zoom out. Zoom out to the 1 minute. There's a 5-minute chart. Look, so see this white line? This white line. Let's get rid of this stupid. See this white line? That's a range. Okay, and I'm not talking like that to you guys. I'm just kind of yelling at myself. I'm gonna throw a punch myself today. My point was that's a range, so it's chopping up in here. It's the end of the day. We got the 4 minutes till we close.
Potential TX on NQ.
All right, that's it. We're gonna be closing, and then earnings reports are gonna come out. I'm not a macro guy, so I'm just gonna check here for earnings, but. And I don't want to confuse you guys with too much clutter on the charts. I know this looks nuts. I mean, I'll just go to one chart. Alright, yeah, let's look at the hourly. It's going to close at. Usually what I also do too is I look at the closing hour and where the wick goes down to, how far. in the distance, and then if there's a range. So this is a perfect example. I'm going to highlight it. See this? Okay, see that right there? Okay, this is a level it was hitting a lot in multiple time frames. 12,540. Okay, and it wicked down to the next level, and that was actually the daily low. And now it's going to close in a few minutes. So what I do is now, let's just zoom in. I look at that. That's a 15-minute. I zoom into the 5-minute. I don't use fibs a lot too, by the way. I find that it's just, I don't even have the time to draw them. Let me get rid of this big yellow circle. Okay. Go back to the 1 minute. Now you see the same level, and you have the hourly. I'm going to put the hourly up on the side, right here. Here's that level I'm talking about. And I kind of just take a look, and I look at the oscillators on the bottom, obviously. A lot of you guys are familiar with this. That's money flow, that green down there. I don't know why I have the TDI in there. It's too much crap. But what I'm trying to say is I look and see what this is doing, and then I'll look at this to see what this is doing as well. Looks like it's coming down to the red, the money flow. It does kind of indicate where it's going to go. And this finishes out, for example. This will finish out. And then once it has a great crest coming up here, it'll start to go up.
TBS on NQ.
But the end of the day is nuts. I don't
TX
advise
on
ever
NQ.
trading the last few minutes, especially the last 2 minutes, because the NQ just chops like insanely.
Potential TX on NQ.
Charles, I'll show you the ATM. Hold on, I'll pull it up. It's just we're closing in the 2 minutes. Let's see if I can pop a trade off. All right. This is my 5-second chart. Yes. Check it out. Ready? So I did a 30 stop loss, 60 profit, and a 20-10 stop. 20-10 stop is 1-step process. 20 stop loss, 10 profit trigger at a 1 frequency. Okay? Let me know you got that. Alright, we're closing in 1 minute. Closing bell. I don't have any special bells or anything like that, guys. Sorry. Alright, NASDAQ's pushing up a little bit for the close. Let's see what post-market does.
Order filled.
It's getting a little choppy. And we're closing in a few seconds. We're closed. Okay, that's it. So now it's aftermarket. Earnings going to be coming out.
Potential TX on NQ.
Let's see what we got here. I don't want to see bad politics. I just want to see. No, forget this. Wow, let's go to my trade. Where the hell is it? I have an open trade. It's just chopping around. This is a 5-second chart, remember? So.
Potential TX on NQ. Potential SLZ on NQ.
Charles, if you want me to do a video on something particular, let me know. And post, I don't know if you're still there, but one thing I could say, Ninja Trader, there's a good... It's really hard to find someone that gives away their ATM strategies.
Trapped orders with exhaustion box.
I found like
on
one
NQ.
person, and it
SLZ
wasn't even that
on
good,
NQ.
and I kind of went on my own. You just got to do a lot of experimentation. The other thing is, with Apex, if you guys even using Apex, whatnot, the FAQ on their website, it can be tedious. It's a lot of videos to watch, but they're not that long, and it's very helpful. But if there's anything particular you want me to make, just go on my Discord group and let me know. Discord link's below. Guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe and let everyone else know. I'm going to be doing live streams every day. I'm going to try and do the post-market, the market close and aftermarket. I'm going to try and do one during the day, and I'm going to try and do one in the beginning of the day as well. Maybe pre-market into like 10 o'clock a.m. when I actually trade. I do most of my trading. Yeah, and then I have a Discord group as well. I'm just watching this trade, debating if I should pop it. Let's see what everything else is saying. Usually, it melts up or melts down once the earnings come out. So, let's keep this up right here for now. Discord invites invalid. Oh, okay. Yeah, technical difficulties. Thanks for the heads up. I'll fix that. I will fix that. Appreciate that. Yeah. Post, are you in the Discord? Let me pull my Discord up. That's weird. Hold on a second. If you guys want to see any charts on anything, let me know. If you want to look at Bitcoin, I mean, we're here. Why not? I'm getting the Discord to pop up somewhere. Where the hell is it? Oh boy. Give me a second. It's acting wonky. I got too much stuff going on. My computer, that is. Oh, okay. So, invite people.
Potential TX on NQ.
This works. Let me know if this works, guys.
Trapped orders with exhaustion box
Oh,
on
Crypto
NQ.
Bomb. Yeah, he's cool, man. I love those guys. Wait, what? Alright, hold on. Give me a sec. I'm trying to get the link for Discord. Invite people. Okay, how do you do this shit? It's different on the phone compared to the computer. I just wanna... Come on. Let's see. Paste. Ah, I got it. Join the Discord, guys, please, and definitely like, subscribe, spread the word. I want to get a really good community here because, bottom line, what I did was I traded crypto for a couple years. You may know me from Crypto Life 101. I got out of that just because I like to scalp and I like to be on, have a weekend to myself. So I got into this, and without getting into my life story, for personal reasons, I got into this, but I love it much more. I like it a lot better than just trading Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin to me, it's just something I ran its course and I'm taking a break from it. That's all. I'm gonna go back to it. I like to trade the NASDAQ, the ES. I'm getting into oil as well and gold. Those are my four. And if this gold looks weird to you, that's the April contracts, okay? And, you know, see some charts I use. You guys know Market Liberator. You're more than familiar with it, I'm pretty sure. I know people kind of frown upon certain indicators, but I use both. I'll use no indicators and I'll use just candlesticks. You know, like for example, this chart, there's no indicators. Okay, so I need to do about 100 streams and get more acquainted with this, with the equipment and whatnot. All right, my trade on trading topic here. Okay. Looks like I'm just going sideways. Yeah, Charles. So that's what I did too. Honestly, I lost a lot of money trading crypto. I made a lot and I lost a lot, and I wasn't mature enough psychologically, I needed to go through those couple of years of trading. Now that I know what I like to do. I like to scalp. I find that trading for the CME, not for the CME, but regulated assets like the Nasdaq, S&P, and oil and gold. A, it interests me more because it's more common. B, you could trade with small amounts of money and make nice amounts of money. So with a micro, for example, you only need $50 to deposit on TradeOvate or NinjaTrader to use one contract. You throw $500 in there realistically because it gives you wiggle room. With a mini, you need $500, and that's 10 times the size of a micro. If you guys don't know the math, I'm going to make a video about ticks and points and all that. But let's just do... Yeah, no, listen, post, bro. There's a lot of guys I know killing it with crypto. It's just, when you're focused on one thing, I can't go back to that and start trading that as I'm doing this. I mean, look what I'm looking at. Look, ready, set. So I'm looking at all regular charts, plus this system here. That's just a flipper chart. Then this is a larger time frame, okay, right here. Now this is simplicity. It's a whole other thing they have, and it's based on. This isn't levels that are support resistance. These are levels that are based on options expiries and whatnot. So this is stuff for future pricing baked in. So they have an awesome system. It's not cheap, but I'm not even an affiliate. I'm just promoting what I'm using. I do get an affiliate commission if you sign up for Apex Trader Funding though. But anyway, I'm learning this and I'm loving it. It's helping. It's not the holy grail. Nothing is. You still got to trade on regular charts. Oh shit, Paul, really? You just switched over? I mean, everyone switched over? Yeah, that's what's hot right now, but I'm not doing this for views and clicks. I just want to document my journey, and there's a few good guys out there doing it, but there's not enough. And that's why I said, you know what? Let me get into this. Can this freaking go up already?
Order filled.
I just bought 3 more contracts. I'm being totally reckless, guys. I don't do what I do or what I say. Yo, straight up though, I got into this. I got bitten by the bug. That's in August. And there's a few good prop firms out there. Apex is good. They improved a lot. But Trade Day is another one, man. I spoke to the owner, James Thorpe. Those guys, if you want to actually work for a real company and deal with the owners, they're amazing.
TX on NQ.
I passed their, I passed, and then I failed the PA account. It was me being reckless and stupid last year, but their rules are good. Once you pass, you get real money. And that's why I was pissed when I lost. But there's no withdrawal. You can withdraw right away if you make the money your first day. Your profits, you can withdraw once you're over your threshold. This trade's going south. Anybody looking at earnings right now? There's a way to do it on TradingView. I can go to, let's go to a chart I'm not using. I'm kind of using all these charts. All right, ready? Let's see if I can load up another chart. My computer doesn't explode. All right, ready? Let's go to load layout, Let's just do whatever. I don't even know what chart this is, but I'm not going to use it. It's probably some 1,000 charts. Boom. There we go. All right, let's go to. Hold up, let me put my trade up while we're doing this. I trade shot. All right. Anyway, let's look at stocks. Okay, why is it not showing me? And by the way, does anybody know on TradingView that there's like a whole world of information you can utilize? Like, why am I saying like? I'm from New York, and I'm talking like really. Stocks. All right, let's go here. Let's go here. Okay. Here we go. Markets. Stocks. Okay. Where's earnings? Earnings. You guys know what the fuck earnings is? Yeah, post low caps. They move too much and you over leverage. And it. Yeah, let's see. Post. You know what? Check this out. CME. Okay, hold on. Indices. Wait, I can't talk, and I just want to. I want to talk about your comment. You said, "Yeah, I've stayed away from the low caps. Have you only been hurt by them? At least Ethan BTC has allowed you to play for a week, so before liquidating me, you got liquidated. What? But yo, check this out. So, problem with that is the Fed, and what I didn't know trading crypto for 3-4 years is there'd be these days when the market just shot up, shot down, and I thought it was market manipulation. You know, it was the big bad wolf. And then I discovered people like Traders Reality, and then I did a little more research myself, and then I realized technical analysis is highly important. Obviously, you know, your levels, key support resistance, liquidity zones. You're trading against quant algos. Obviously, you know, we're not just trading against people, retail, big hedge funds, but macro events influence the market, and those big jumps are 8 times out of 10 from a macro event. So you have to use everything. A lot of these guys say, no, that's just technical analysis. I don't agree with them, and I don't agree with macro traders. If you're a long-term investor, then primarily look at macro and really basic TA. And you know what? Fuck this chart because it's just annoying me. When I can figure out how to look at the earnings, I will. I have no idea how to do this, and I'm not going to act like I do. Products, economic calendar, maybe. It's like I just want to see the fucking earnings, man. Hey, wait, is this it? No, this is Japan. CME last 2 years. Post, what do you wait? Even during the problem to straight to this.
Stop filled.
Oh, my stop got filled. What happened? What happened? See, I'm trying to look at earnings and sidetracked here. I got it's a sim account. So yeah. Does anyone know how to find the fucking earnings? Excuse my language, I'm just getting annoyed because I found it the other day, like really easily. And now I can't find it. I'm not trying to be like that guy Kevin, be Kevin. Hey, yo. This dude makes a stupid thumbnail and I want to throat punch him with every video he makes. Because it's just the same garbage. And he fearmongers, man. Yo, just talk about like levels. Yeah, exactly. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse earnings. But yo, like these people on YouTube, they literally just want to get views and they talk about the same garbage 5 times a day. It's like, bro, go over levels, you know, and if you know how to go over macro, go over it. All right, so wait. Yeah, so post. I use the mix of vector candles myself, fibs a little bit. The CME, well, you're trading crypto, so I trade, you know, CME products. But yeah, previous opens and close. I look at the daily close, the daily open, weekly close, weekly open. Fear and greed, I don't even look at that, to be honest. But that's really good to look at. ChatGPT, I'm going to be doing a video on that. Paul, yeah, Kev, that guy's so... I want to just take him and fling him into Mickey Mouse land. That guy is so annoying. Like, why is he relevant? I don't know his backstory. I don't care what it is. Sorry I'm ranting about him, but there's just certain people that I don't know why they keep popping up my feed, even when I don't want them to pop up my feed. I got to block them. I'm probably going to punch my computer screen 10 seconds. All right, so seriously, I'll stop being raging over here. Okay, crypto stocks. Let's just see, I guess. Let's just click on something like this. Earnings calendar. It's right there. Oh, post. There's a guy called Me Kevin on YouTube. He's just highly annoying. You'll see. Watch one of his videos. Trust me. Meet Kevin. He has like 8,000 trillion followers. And he talks about the same thing every day, every video. And then he sells you on, join my private group, etc., 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 etc. Fuck off, you midget. I can't deal with him. And your last message you typed, Yeol's YouTube indicator. Which one? Yeah, exactly. I think YouTube's pushing him for a reason. Listen, guys, you gotta... I mean, I've been doing this, what now, 5 years? What I realized is, those ones that have like 500,000, 1,000,000 subs, they're... And it's not a conspiracy theory. Dude, they're paid by people to say things, to move markets. You can't follow them. You gotta follow your own analysis, your own fundamentals. That's why I scalp on a 5-second chart. And listen, I'm not trying to impress anyone, but listen, I made $300 per, look, just boom. I use a copy trader. I make about $200 to $300 a day each account on Apex, 3 to 5 accounts, you know, and I just follow my own 5-second. People say don't scalp on a 5-second. Why not? Why? Because that's how you make money. That's what the algos are trading on. You know, like, you got to trade on what, now it's flat, so it's dead. But look, check this out. Look, why would you not trade that? Hello? Hello? Look, let's just do a reality check on Earth. Why would you not trade the 5-second chart paired with another chart like this one, if I could fucking find it, with the 2-minute chart and go like a side-by-side? It's very simple. Just forget everything else. Just go basic. Ready? Let's do basics here. Check this out. This is how I did it. And look, let's just show you profits, right? Boom. Bang. Okay? I'm probably not supposed to show that, but whatever. These are PA accounts, funded accounts. Okay? I gotta hit a little bit more to get my profit. $25,000 account, I gotta get like what? Another $600? I gotta get to 26,500. This one I almost blew. I had 4 accounts. I blew one, and I was copy trading. I have a copy trader here. Look, check it out. Copy trader. Probably shouldn't be showing that either. I don't give a fuck. If anybody's gonna hack me, good luck. I'm angry today. Sorry. I think I should be drinking a beer instead of a Red Bull. But check it out. Look, I made a lot of money in my Sim account, but you know, in Sim it's a lot easier. And I stuck to the rules of with a $25,000 Apex account, you gotta use just four micros or 40 minis. But this one here, yeah, I went down to cash value 24,700. You start with 25, but this was almost blown. So I revived this one, and these right here, this is today. You know, this is 3 days of trading. Okay, so I made about an average of $225 a day in 3 days. I can pull up like my red pick and lot, but I'm not gonna do it. That's PA accounts. Now these, and it's full disclosure, not like all the other idiots that like lie to you. These are other accounts, eval accounts. I blew these. I blew them, but they're gonna renew, and I'm gonna start fresh. So if you guys don't know anything about Apex, you could trade oil, gold, Nasdaq, ES, for certain forex pairs, but there's a lot of instruments you could trade. Yeah, yo, wow, Post, you're bringing me back to when I used to really scalp crypto. I used to use Trade Agger all the time. I used to use special templates. Yeah, dude, the way to make money is to trade on the 5, 10, 15 second charts with the 1 minute and just set a tight stop loss with a trail and get in and out. Use AgriTrade for your order books on crypto. Trader's reality, I will not talk bad about most people, and I can't talk bad about him because he got me into Vector Candles. He only has like 100,000 subs, and to me that's not that much, honestly. But you never know. Maybe he gets paid off a little bit. Who knows? You know, I just don't, you know, the bottom line is use your own mind. Don't trust anyone else. You know, and that goes with anything in life. So what was I wanted to show you this here. All right, so the arrows here, that's where I entered and exited. See if I could do this where it's not sloppy. And I have a global, see this, what do you call it? My pointer? Let's go here. Oh, I didn't draw the same box. See, NinjaTrader, I'm still learning. It's a little wonky. But I'm trying to get to this. Okay. Where is it? Okay. I have to go. There we go. Okay. So. Alright, on the left-hand side. On the left-hand side, we have the 5-second chart. Okay, I want to show you why I entered and exited. The green's an entry. And the purple is an exit. Let's spread it out a little. I'm gonna go to a 1-minute chart. Now, see, in a 1 minute, it looks like chaos, right? It's like one candle, then you're down. Look at this. It's nuts. One candle up, then you take your profit. But now, if I go here on the 5-second, I gotta still spread this out more. It's hard to do with my screen real estate right here. See this right here? I can't draw. I can draw, I think, but you know what? You guys figure out. Look, right here, that's an entry at 12.53675. Now I took it up to where? 12.54475. So that's 8 points. Okay, 8 points. I think my stop loss got hit too. What's this here? Honestly, I don't even know what this is, but all I know is pretty simple enough. Let's go to like a winning trade. These ones here, right? Okay. So I actually entered here. I let it ride out. Here, I entered here, which was in the 5-second chart. I let it run down a lot. I think I was maybe talking at this point. No, I wasn't. And then I think I got out of this trade. But sorry if I'm a little all over the place, but it's the guy's really pushing affiliate links. Hang on a second, man. Oh my god, yo, dude, the people that push any kind of trading course and they're talking about patterns need to go home and quit. Because you know what it is? They have a business model. Like, all right, 90% of traders fail, so let's just do a system that appeals to 90% of newbies, and then then they get thrown for a loop. They waste 2-3 years of their life, and I was one of those guys. Then I learned to teach myself and take a little bit from everyone else. But anyway, see these entries right here? This is a short I did on a 5-second chart. Spread it out. Right here. I was doing shorts here because it was hitting a level of resistance. And then it was right here. That was 12.563. It came down to 12.538. So I don't know how many points that is. It's a lot of points. Okay. I got out. And I was right here. Entered short. Got out right here. Okay, and that just gives you an example of why I do it. Probably better do it live, which my next stream, like for example, just now, in the last, I don't know, 10 minutes of me blabbing about why I hate B Kevin. Just kidding, don't hate. Just can't stand his existence. I could have entered here. Coulda, shoulda, woulda, but now I'm just gonna enter short.
Order filled.
Now, it's post-market. Aftermarket, I don't know what the earnings are because I don't know how to get to that point yet. But if this was normal at market hours, this would be moving a lot faster. Why did I enter this short? Okay. See, wicked into this level. Right? See these wicks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See this right here? Okay. I'm just using NinjaTrader. This is real basic. No indicators whatsoever. Okay. See this light right here? See this right here? Right here, came up a little bit here. If it breaks past here, it's invalidated. So I'll just do like a real trade. But now the algos know this, and they'll hunt past it. Okay, and then they'll switch on you. So I'll just do that. Let's just do a conventional. Watch. Sell.
Order
Let's make it juicy.
Order filled. Order filled.
Ready? Okay. Look. I'm gonna spread it out. Okay. Market's not moving a lot. You know, liquidity is dried up. I'm just gonna stay on the ninja charts for now. See what this does. It's probably gonna be dead. Oh, did you guys get into the Discord? Just let me know if you did. Paul, hey, what's up? Do I? No, I don't with Bitcoin.
Potential TX on NQ.
I don't even trade Bitcoin anymore. I stopped. I'm taking like a break for a month or two. If I trade Bitcoin, it's gonna for swing trading purposes only. Oh, so check this out now. Order quantity. If you guys don't know how to use Ninja, it's got 22 contracts, so I'm gonna do 11. So I'd be half the position. I just upped it, so when I close, I close by the buy or a sell. So if I'm in a sell, I click buy and it closes it. If I'm in a buy, I click sell. So if I'm in a sell, I click buy to close. If I'm in a sell, I click buy to close. So look, I entered here. We've been talking for what, a minute? $93. Not trying to talk brag. I'm just saying, like, you know, look. And I'll show you another thing. Post. Yo, I used to go crazy to the Agar trade sounds. It literally sounded like a ping pong festival on my computer. And then it eats up a lot of your RAM. My computer fan was like tripping. Yeah, definitely. Alright, I don't know if anybody's... How do you tell if anybody's even watching right now? If anybody's watching, just put a like really stupid emoji. You're probably there, Paul, right? Yeah, Trade Agar. I forgot about Trade Agar. Paul, I forgot about it too. I used to really rely on that, probably a little too heavily. But all right, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing a live stream tomorrow. I'm actually gonna scalp the NQ live. I'm just not too quite sure how I'm gonna do it. If I'm gonna do it like this on one screen and have my trading view up. Let's see, where we at? Not sure if I'm gonna have my trading view up with not so much junk and noise on it, and you know it's moving slow now because the market's just. But maybe I'll flip from this and I'll go back to that. That makes sense, right? Yeah, that makes sense. I want to show you. Oh, wait, what just happened? Oh, this is Apex's chart. Oh, my computer's freezing. Really? Surprising. Yep, frozen. Wow. Just to show you one thing about Apex Investing Group. And again, I do not get paid by them at all. I'm probably going to stop using this tomorrow just because I don't even want to waste the money until I start getting payouts from being funded, which I'm very, very close to. But I like how this system works. These blue dots here, lots. These blue lines are trap sellers. This yellow line here is a cluster. That means a lot of there's a battle going on. Okay, this red box is also trapped sellers, buyers, excuse me. This is trapped down here. This blue line down here, this is trapped sellers, trapped buyers. So when that happens, the algos reverse. But this is a short time frame too. This is only in the last, what, 25 minutes. So Anyway, that's just something that I use, but I may take a break from it. Which, even if you went off the histogram, look at this move. And see these numbers, they all mean something, but even if you went off the histogram, this turning green goes to red, green, you see this. There's not even a trapped indicator. Look how many points went up. What, 20 points, 30 points? In what, a minute? See, now that's really fast. Most humans can't accomplish, you know, can't get into that. Maybe if you do a micro and you pray and have a tight, you know, not a tight trail, you need a very wide trail. You know, but something with a little more time in it. See, this is the time down here. 15, so this is 3:36. And this is, you know, you gotta, this is a whole nother topic. Let me get off this, I don't want to confuse you guys. Anyway, my trade, I was like $80 in profit. No, I'm not. So, let me see if you guys have any comments. It looks like I have a spammer in here, right? This message is held for review. I don't know. Can you do emoji on my keyboard? I'm in the living room using the TV. Alright. Yeah, I did that, Charles, when I was at Ninja. Yeah. When I was at work, last job I had, I blew four accounts because I got stressed out because the Ninja Trader trailing stop loss was going cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. My boss walked into me and looked at me almost like, oh, so you're making money, huh? And like, you know, I'm paying you to be here, but you're making money with that. Meanwhile, he had no idea that it's just like a valuation account. And you can't explain this to someone that doesn't know anything about trading. Like, what are the chances they're going to understand 5% of what the hell you're talking about? So, yeah, I got, I don't work there anymore, put it that way. And I blew those freaking eval accounts. Who's that idiot? But anyway, alright. So, aftermarket goes for a little bit longer. And I should have just took my profit. It's the most famous saying that we always have, right? I'll move this up. This is what you don't do. Don't move your stop loss up when you have one. Ever. But we're just messing around on Sim. And I'm just getting used to the live streams a little bit here. A little bit, a lot of it. I feel like there's something I'm not going over. The earnings, right? Let's see. If I just type in Uber earnings, maybe that would work, right? Let's see. By the way, guys, I don't hide my identity. There I am. Look at me. And another moniker I go by. Look at me. I have a fucking identity crisis. Anyway. What do we got here? Anything? Disney stocks gain. That's why the market went up a little bit. Yep. Yep. What else? A firm to lay off 19% of the workforce. Stock plunges in late trading. Hey, speaking of stock. Oh yeah. What's going on here? Go down. Hold on a second. So guys, if you're just joining, if you joined, if you're not, if you're here, if you're there, if you're with Mickey Mouse, listen, this is a sim trade. I was just talking about why I use a 5-second chart and a 1-minute chart. I was like about $90 in profit. I didn't take it just because I'm letting it ride out. Now we're looking at earnings on Twitter, which you can do yourself. Which most, you know what? I want to say something else if you guys are still there. Why do most YouTube channels just show you the news that you could look up on your own? Like they're like, yeah, you know, bro, look at this, man. You know, look at the earnings, and they click on this, and they read this. It's like, bro, I could do that. Why are you doing it for me? You know, I get it if they put it all together in a short, condensed format, but dude, really, come on. Like, watch. Okay, let's just fucking, excuse my language, by the way. Does YouTube give you bans for if you curse a lot? I'm gonna have to filter out my words.
Order filled.
Whoa, I have 11 in here, so when I just did those shorts, it just added to 55 contracts. Alright. This market's not gonna move much, but it may melt up a little bit. I wanna close this out. I made 6,700 in my sim account. I showed you guys that. Oh. So, in the big scheme of things, this is a mosquito compared to what I pulled in. These are my funded accounts. Showing you that again. Alright. Yeah, dude, people are lazy, man. You just gotta go and like whatever it is you want to know, just type it in, exit. There's a good app on my phone that I use. It literally has all the news in one spot. It's for crypto. I don't care if this trade I lose a trade, by the way. Let's just pull up the charts you guys have to look at. Let's just see. Let's see what the chart's doing. Okay, so we got a vector, a fair value gap, and a 5-minute. There's an app I use. I'll tell you right now what it is. It literally, you could just go on this app. You don't need to ever watch a YouTuber again. Period. For crypto. It gives you all the news in one spot. I just can't find it. So BTC News. BTC News. How do I show you that? Well, BTC News, you go on that, and it gives you everything. Yeah. Yeah, dude, they suck. They were just like, I don't know. I'm not going to talk bad about them, but it's just they're kind of lazy, to be honest. You know. And they do such basic technical analysis. It's kind of annoying, to be honest. So I think what I want to do is go through earnings. Let's look at Uber. Okay, so Uber. I think everyone was waiting for this one today. So let's see, surprise. Okay, this is my first time going over earnings. So let's just do it together. Market cap, 73 billion. EPS estimate, negative 0.15. Reported EPS, positive 0.29. Surprise, 0.44 cents. So revenue forecast, revenue actual. So they came in higher. So their earnings came in good. Great, good for them. Yay. The CME group. Oh wait, isn't that ironic? Paul, I met BitBoy. I met Charlie Lee. I don't know if I should put the pictures up of me and Charlie Lee and all that, but I don't know how much I should dox myself. You know, it's like, you're damned if you do, you're damned if you don't. But yeah, I met BitBoy back in 2018. I think we're friends. Look, check this out. Look, ready? Twitter, BitBoy. How do you go to where it shows he's following me? I met BitBoy. I met all of them. I met Crypto Crow. I met all the usual suspects. I have no idea. Okay, here we go. Yeah. BitBoy. Look, followers. You know Mark Moss? He's really legit. Look. Not trying to show off. I'm just trying to. Oh wait, there's one Mark Moss that's real. Anyway, BitBoy follows me. I met him in fucking Vegas for a crypto convention. I gave him, you know, my real name and all that, and I didn't care. I still don't care. I'm just trying to do the funded trader and stick with that, and just talk about prop firms, and that's what I'm doing now. Crypto, I'll get into that when the timing's right. But these are the earnings. I learned that you go to markets, you go to
Stop filled.
Oh, what happened? Got stopped out. Lost a couple dollars. Okay. You know what, BitBoy, what he did that was good? He just made it like ESPN, so he has everything under one roof. So you kind of like get a couple different you know, and he has a team. He's got, what, 100 people working with him? If they can't figure out how to run a company properly, then you got problems. So no, not dissing him. Just, I don't diss him. I actually can tolerate him more than that other guy I mentioned before, me, Kevin. Yeah. Frankie Candles is the U.S. version of Tino. Bro, he is. I never thought that. I never really watched him, but I saw him once, yeah. What else? Yeah, I know. I don't watch TV either, man. I watch Twitter, Banter Bags. Yeah. Crypto I'm torn on right now. I don't know what's going to happen with it. I just know that we supposedly have to have some kind of dump this year in the market. But I'll talk about that in another stream. As macro, I'm having some mind blockages today on macro. Like, it took me, 25 minutes just to find stock market earnings. The CME group came in good. It came in up, right? You know, for revenue forecast. See, I don't know what that means. If it's forecast for a higher, number and it comes in lower, isn't that bad? So why is this green? What's the EPS estimate? I don't know. I'll learn as time goes on, just like I did with technicals. What else? That's it. I think nothing's really moving now because, yeah, look how flat the dollar is. Flat. Look at Bitcoin. Why don't I trade Bitcoin? Because this move. Actually, that was a good move. 1.47% with 10% leverage would be 15% move. I mean, listen, I'm just not into it right now. But honestly, if you scalp with 10x leverage, you know, all day today, you could have made a couple. This is 1%. So let's just say you started the day, you wake up today, you have your coffee, you're looking at the charts. This is the 1 minute chart, which people tell you not to look at, which I totally want to throw punch all of them. But you know what? Let them look at the 30 minute. Let them do that. I do too. Then I zoom in. You know, you got to zoom in to the 5 second. You know, so let's go to the 5 minute. Oh, then you got this other guy, ICT, the master. You know, you gotta that guy. ICT is the god of crypto. All of a sudden, you know, this candle has a blah blah blah, and this candle is recovering. Get the fuck out of here. $500 for his. You know what? You just selling. If you were that good at trading, dude, you would not be selling a fucking course. Period. End of the story. Across the board for everyone. I use affiliate links because I get affiliate commissions because I want to build passive income.
Potential TX
That's
on
it.
NQ.
Anyone else selling a trading course, they should give the trading courses away for free and help people and then make money off affiliate links and from sponsors. That's my opinion. And when they do a sponsor video, to talk about it. But as I grow as a YouTube channel, hopefully, I reach out to people by being real and exposing idiots, but keeping it positive though. But anyway, so I'm going on a rant. I hope you guys can deal with rants, man. Listen, I think crypto's gonna hit like 2,000 straight up. I've been in here since 2016. I think the only way the big governments succeed is they scare everyone and their mother out of crypto and then scoop it up and then own 90% of it. That's my theory. I don't know. Not 2,000. Let's say 10,000, 8,000, and they squeeze everyone out. You know, but who knows? The economy could go to shit this year, and then we may need to rely on Bitcoin. So we don't know. It's, you know, who knows? The people that sit in the round table of people that you and I will never know. Okay, it's people that command Jay Powell what to do. It's not some conspiracy theory. It's just reality. Money runs the world. So Bitcoin, again, I ran a rant. Sorry. Let's go to the 5 minute chart. Let's start with the day here. So it started at, okay. And in my future streams, I'm going to stay a little more focused. We're just kind of hanging out over here. Yeah, Binance, by the way, I'm going to try to read your comments. I'm sorry. Yeah, Binance is sketch. Think about what's his name, CZ, when he came out and started talking about Sam. You don't think they had a conversation before that? I think everything's coordinated. Nothing's random. And I think that CZ is in bed with a lot of people and he has a lot of power. And I think they're at a point where if they fail, you know, it would be a decision that would be made. So, and by the time it happens, it will be too late for us to kind of realize it. Well, see, everyone's so focused on Saylor, Mickey Saylor, that they don't realize there's people that have more Bitcoin than him, and a lot more powerful people than him. You know, it's not just Michael Saylor. That's what they're keeping us focused on. But there's a lot more going on behind the scenes. You know. Scoring is Binance, the largest game now in town. Yeah. Yeah, something's going on with Binance, definitely. I would, you know, if you're trading crypto, you got money on exchanges, you know, I don't got to tell you guys this. You keep like just a small percentage of your funds on there. Let's say you have 1 Bitcoin. You keep like tops 1/10 of that Bitcoin on exchange. And you just trade with 10x leverage. So you know how the math works? Yeah, as soon as the crypto YouTubers are calling for 100, that's when I start thinking the dump's gonna happen. You know, because look at that kid, the Moon. That, you know, I'm not gonna say anything bad about him. You know, just look at him. Soon as him and Da Vinci, the other schmuck, soon as they start posting their mouth open like they want to eat a banana. Yeah, I know that's his name. I don't want to say it. Well, they want to put an eggplant down their throat, and they put the post with the thumbnail on YouTube. Oh, I want to swallow an eggplant. Yeah. When they want to start jamming things down their throat, when you see a lot of those posts with the open mouth and the tongue sticking out, males doing this, and it's two guys with their mouths open on a thumbnail saying Bitcoin's gonna go up. That means to run. You know, listen. Sometimes he makes calls and they're right, but that's like a weatherman. The weatherman could say there's a 50% chance of it raining. That means there's a 50% chance of it not raining. That means you just eliminated the whole point of speaking. It means it's either it's going to rain or it's not going to rain. So Bitcoin's either going to go up or it's not. So a lot of these guys just make content because you know why? They make money from making content. So this turned into like a bashing YouTuber stream. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. You know who's cool, man? Who makes me laugh? You want to know a good YouTuber that's hilarious? He's sarcastic and totally not friends with him at all. He has no idea who I am. And if I had 10 billion subscribers, I probably would not even talk to him because he's annoying, but I think he's hilarious. Mitch Ray. Mitch Ray is fucking hilarious. He's so sarcastic. And he does good TA. He does like, you know, he does the daily charts. Like, he'll just do simple shit. To me, it's all simple. Honestly, I think I do better TA than most of these guys. It's because that's what I think. Maybe I'm biased. But yeah, he'll just go on the daily, the fucking weekly, and like, bro. But he's cool though. He does a good live stream. He knows how to use his live streaming equipment. And he'll just be like, bro, this level, man. You know, like, look at this, bro. No, but he does, like, reality. Because people be like, yo, Bitcoin to, like, 100,000. Really? It's going to go to here? Okay. Really? That makes sense. Mitch Ray TA. Googly-eyed? I don't know. Yeah, Mitch Ray. I could pull him up if you want to see. But Mitch Ray TA. He's good. He does a lot. She's probably doing one in a little bit. But yeah, so you're telling me Bitcoin's gonna go to 100,000? So it's gonna just throw away the last, I don't know what, its entire history of life. Excuse me. As you go to 100,000? Oh my God, this fucking thing. Yeah, check this out. Let's just be realistic. This is a 7-day chart, which is also a weekly chart. Let's just do a monthly chart. Okay, let's use common sense here. Okay. Why is this doing this? I just set it where it's supposed to do that. Alright, talking to myself. Monthly chart. Get rid of the drawings. Alright, so this is the indicator I use in the bottom. This is Wolf Pack. It's pretty good indicator. Just helps you out a little bit. But anyway, forget that. So check this level out. We're at 20,000-ish, right? This is on the month. We got 20 days left in the month. Let's go to the 7-day. Forget patterns and all that. They don't work. They don't make any sense. The market's about volume and buyers and sellers and time. That's it. So check this out. It's got a Bitcoin. I don't know how I got into Bitcoin, but you guys want Bitcoin. Mitch Ray, TA. Yeah. Mitch Ray. Let's go to Mitch Ray. Let's pull him up. Mitch Ray. He gets a free plug. Mitch Hindenburg. No, Mitch Ray. Okay. Mitch Ray. This dude. Mitch Ray. Oh, he's got 68,000 subs. Yeah, he's Mitch Ray. You know, that's all I can say. Wow, that rhymed. Short live. So you go to lives. Yeah, look what he does every day. So if you want to watch something cool and chill and don't watch TV, check him out. He's cool. I don't mind him.
I mean, if this isn't something that would
This
impress
dude.
you enough to maybe take a shot, I mean, nothing would be probably.
That's him.
Is so textbook, and it's visible on the weekly.
Okay.
And you can see the levels being breached.
But he's another guy. He charges I think 500 bucks to be in his what do you call that?
Bitcoin is at 23,000.
He charges 500 bucks for his Patreon, and then he charges $20 for you to post something in here and ask him a question. Hey, that's his business model, great, but I think it's a little too expensive. So if you want to get something charted, he wants $20 just to look at a chart, and he doesn't go that nothing magical. Look, that's his chart.
Then you measure from the breakout.
Look, this is his chart, bro. Really?
I don't know. Like
He charged somebody $20 to do that.
It made a 38% retrace yet on gold.
Look, market structure, fibs.
No, it made a 20%
Look, basic MACD and RSI. Seriously, bro? Now I'm annoyed at him too. He's gone. Bye. Fuck out of here. So yeah, I could do fibs, bro. Yeah, okay. You know, it's like, come on, man. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end it though. But Bitcoin, seriously, on a serious note, it's flat. It's going totally sideways. It's in a box. Once it breaks out of this box, it'll do something. That's it. So for now, you go down to like 4 hour. Let's do a reality check here. For anyone that's like delusional. Okay. The reality of life is this. This is the exact range Bitcoin's in. Okay. 23,672 to 22,621. $1,000. Okay, when it cracks out of here with conviction, you know, when it cracks out of here and really like bounce, like it comes up this way, here. Comes up when it comes up this way and like bounces up, that's how it goes out. But if it goes like this, hovers around there and comes here, I would be careful. You know, you could scalp in a lower time frame, but it's got to like really hit this like a few times and then go up. And that's that for Bitcoin. Now, if I wanted to scalp this, it's not that. That's not that. It's that. Okay, let's just go a little more. Okay. Today, you had a few trades. You had the open trade, which would have been a move here. Boom. Right. Oh my God. Eliminate drawings. Okay. Yeah, fibs are good though. No, fibs are good. You know what? And I'll just say one last thing. So the opening of today, Bitcoin, I mean, if you looked at the other correlated assets, I mean, look at this right here. It was tapping this right here. Look. tapping this line. A little lower than that. On a 5 minute. Couldn't break above 23,127. You know, let's zoom in more. It wicked. Wicked into it. You know, hit it a few times, then it rejected. You know, and then if you slap with some indicators on for confluence, I mean, you get a nice move down. You know, you could even do Heikinisha candles, which certain people say don't use those. Why not? How can you use what works? So if you really want to simplify it, look, this tapped 1, 2, 3. It goes down red. I know it's hindsight and anyone could do this, but even if you catch part of the move, it's 1% here. You get out. Let's go to regular candles. It's going to confuse you a little. It's going to go up and you're going to be, oh. But yeah, check it out. So look. That's 1.5% move. With 10x leverage, that's 15%. You know, I don't know if you guys use leverage or not. If you use 100x leverage, you just made 100%. You know, you throw 20, 30 bucks into the trade and just do 100x YOLO. I don't recommend that, but if you're using small amounts, why not? Now you move this over here, look, another 1% trade up. Okay. And what's it based on? Look. That level. Now this is the liquidity grab. This is what they teach at all the ICT and all these other guys with the $800 million courses. It's not complicated. There's a place where everyone sets their stop losses and they hunt them. Okay? Then there's one day where they really hunt them and they do it once in a while. And it's, as I said, once in a while. Boom, boom, boom. Check it out. Okay? Now you know where you're at. And there's a middle ground. Where are we staying at in the middle? Somewhere here. You just go there, kind of use those reference ranges. You go in multiple time frames. See how it sticks. Look. See this? I hit it a few times. Now it hit here. But then it said, oh, we got to go even more. Get more liquidity. And it just wicked. Now to 22,500. So, you know, you just pretty much need lines on charts. You don't need a million fancy things. Now I'll give you another example. Look, so it wicked into here, right? And then they were like, nope, we need to really wick. Look what it did. Boom, boom, boom. It had another one. You could just draw your lines based on the wicks. Okay? That's just the hour time frame now. Let's do the 4 hour. Okay, so now it looks like a pattern kind of is forming here. It's a BART or Head and Shoulders, whatever. I don't do patterns. But this increase from 21,000 to 22 and change. You know, it's holding above here. So let's see what happens, right? If you go back to the 1 day chart, you could see there's another level. Let's be conservative. I'm pulling it down here because there's some key line times that resistance was hit. Now it's getting hit again. So 7 day chart. Let's just see. It's coming down right now. No, it's going up, excuse me. Let's do a 3 day. 3 day is good. Do a 2 day. It's be different. It's in a range. That's all there is for Bitcoin right now. There's no, oh, it's going to 100. No, it's just in a range, period. When it cracks through, when it cracks above, what did I say? When it really breaks 24,000 with conviction and stays above it, that's when we start thinking it's going to go up. Why would you risk? You could take a position and scalp. Yeah, though. Definitely you could do some scalping. All right, gentlemen. Thanks for listening to me rant. I appreciate it. And okay, post. What'd you say? 16x leverage is great. You know, just don't, you know, proper risk management. You know what I'm saying? That's it. What else? Thanks, Paul. Thanks for guys for showing up and communicating in the stream. Please spread the word and let's get a community in here. I want to just do chill live streams. You know, I'll probably do my live trades when I'm not streaming because I want to just get my trades out of the way and I don't want to be too distracted. But I want to come in here and help out if I can, or just have a place for us to chill. And you know, if people want to learn about trading futures and learn how to not trade your own money and learn that kind of stuff, I'm gonna make more content, actual videos, like short, not too long, like 5-10 minute videos on how-tos. Just gotta find the time to do that. What else? yeah, that's it. All right, guys. Listen, thank you very much for showing up, and see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, spread the word out. Let's get a community. And Discord, yeah, thanks. Definitely good rants. I'm gonna try and do less of those though. Maybe have like, you know, a rant session once a week. Oh my god, yeah, bro. Tino, listen, I honestly used to like him, but now it's just, if you know how to look, just do what I did, just look at a chart. Why the hell do you need to watch him talk for 40 minutes straight? Honestly. What the hell is he gonna, what's he gonna do? He's gonna go, ready? This is what he do. So, gents, mates, this is the DXY. What's this is? This is the dollar, okay? Now, if the dollar is going up, it means other assets are coming down, okay? So you gotta be you gotta watch the bond too. You gotta watch the bonds, you know? The bond coming down as well, okay? So that, you know, these coming down, dude, really? It's just he tries to correlate stuff and it makes sense. And the VIX is at a level, blah, blah, blah. And then he goes into all, you know, a lot of stuff, and it kind of just keeps you almost confused, but yet interested. You know, and I think that there's a method to his madness. He's very helpful for newer traders, the vector candles, and having a community that's actually halfway decent. The pattern watchers, I think they're called. That's not a bad Discord to be in. It's just like $50 a month. I'm just tired of being in Discord groups, and I'm tired of following everyone else when I know everything I need to know. And you guys probably need to know everything you need to know already too. I'm not going to charge for my Discord until it gets to a point where it needs to be a private group, you know. And now everything is just for free. I just want people to use my affiliate links if possible, you know, as applicable. But that's it, bro. Oh, wait. What is it? This is no bull. He married AK. Yeah, he did marry AK. I think he married AK too hard, to be honest. Like, you kind of put yourself in a bucket where you're gonna lose people for that. You know, you gotta, for someone that says he doesn't care if the market goes up or down, he married himself to AK. Yeah, it's gonna go to AK, but you gotta wait until 2075. All right, yo, hit me up in Discord, and we'll talk there, guys. Have a good night.